The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a game-changer in home cleaning, offering a fully automated vacuuming and mopping experience. Click the link in the description to get a discounted price. With cutting-edge technology, powerful suction, and self-maintenance features, this robot vacuum is designed for those who want spotless floors without lifting a finger. 6,000 pascals suction power, one of the strongest on the market, effortlessly lifting dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Auto mop washing and drying, no more dirty mops. The Roborock Ultra automatically cleans and dries the mop to prevent bacteria buildup. Self-emptying and refilling. The dustbin empties itself, and the water tank refills automatically, making maintenance almost effortless. Liftable dual brush and sonic mop. The vacuum intelligently lifts the brushes and mop when not needed, preventing cross-contamination and improving efficiency. Obstacle avoidance. Advanced AI navigation helps it dodge cables, furniture, and pet bowls, ensuring smooth, worry-free operation. The S8 Pro Ultra cleans both carpets and hard floors with precision. Its dual rubber brushes provide deep cleaning, while the sonic mopping feature scrubs stubborn stains. The vacuum adjusts to different floor types, lifting its mop when it detects carpets to avoid soaking them. The 6,000 pascals suction is incredibly powerful, making it ideal for homes with pets or heavy foot traffic. The biggest advantage of the S8 Pro Ultra is its true hands-free experience. Unlike traditional robot vacuums, it doesn't require frequent maintenance. The auto-emptying system holds weeks' worth of dust, and the self-cleaning mop system ensures you never have to touch a dirty mop again. If you want a premium, fully autonomous vacuum and mop combo, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is hard to beat. Its smart features, high suction power, and self-maintenance set it apart from competitors. While it comes at a premium price, the convenience and efficiency make it a worthwhile investment for those looking to completely automate floor cleaning. Link in the description to get the best price.